Welcome back, everyone. Today's adventure brings us to the Old Globe Saloon, located at 407 North Curry Street in Carson City, Nevada. The clamper marker we are searching for will be found in the window next to the entrance of the saloon. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Old Globe Saloon. Old Globe Saloon, opened in 1875 on Carson Street by Andrew and Henry Robert, French-Canadian brothers. The saloon was closed by prohibition in 1918. In 1951, Bob Golightly, Andrew's grandson, asked Virgil Bucchianeri Sr. to reopen the Old Globe. In 1971, the saloon was rebuilt on Curry Street, its current location. The building was designed by Hector Puccinelli, former Chief Bridge Engineer, Nevada Highway Department. The original Carson Street Saloon was replicated, also incorporating its stone ice house that was built in 1890. In memory of Virgil Bucchianeri Sr., 1901-1993, Proprietor, 1951-1993. Dedicated July 20th, 2001. Julius C. Belay Chapter, 1864. E. Clampus Vitus.